Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. So, today is lovely Saturday morning, and I decided to switch up things by taking my workout outdoor. So, bahar na bahut, it was like cool, chill kind of vibe tha. So, I took it easy this time, enjoying the fresh air. So, thoda sa stretch kar liya, and then I was getting ready for thoda sa exercise. I felt really good, to be honest, outside, away from that usual gym noise, क्योंकि gym में तो having that loud music is mandatory. So like contrast में तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था यहाँ पे. So after my workout and like little bit of yoga, I headed back inside with some time before washing machine got busy because like थोड़ी देर में सब उठ जाते हैं ना, तो सब लोग आ जाते हैं धोने के लिए since it's weekend. So yes, मैंने बहुत चालाकी से सुबह सुबह ही अपना कपड़ा धो लिया. So yes, it is just a little thing that adds up to my self care क्योंकि जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएगा. I can rest later in that daytime. So yes, taking care of myself isn't just about doing big gesture, okay? It's about everyday thoda stuffs too. In the middle of this, my friend and I chatted about going to see Dragon show. That is the moment, like तुम जाओ चाहे ना जाओ, but we get excited ना कि हाँ हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं, वैसा वाला सिचुएशन था. Early, so मेरा एक order आया था. If you guys don't know, I also have a small business. You can go and check it out on my Instagram. I uploaded few photos, pictures in and around. I've uploaded few things there in and around. And yes, I am now more free. I am looking forward to work on that more. So chalo, I'll start with my work. So I am done making this keychain. I wrote थोड़ा सा छोटा सा thank you card, and then I'm using this to pack. और पैक करके आज का काम is done. Packing is done. सब कुछ डाल दिया है, एड्रेस लिख लिया, एड्रेस भी लिख लिया है. So yes. So yes, आज का काम is done. इतना ही करना था आज. And also I have one more order. लेकिन उसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा सा ये mess up clean करना पड़ेगा, and then I'll start with the next order. So yes, अभी सुबह के 7 बजे हुए and I'm done with एक काम. अभी I'll take bath and let's look forward to a day. We are making cold coffee, taking short break. अभी मैं कर रही थी. I recently got some orders, तो मैं I have bought few yarns, 2 color 3 color का लाई हूँ, and I was just like untangling them. So अभी coffee बना रही थी, चीनी ख़त्म हो गया. I guess I need to go to mess and bring थोड़ा सा चीनी, so that कि थोड़ा सा sweet पसंद है मुझे, not much. हाँ चलते. आई थिंक इट विल रेन. अच्छा होगा. आई लिव इन टॉप फ्लोर, तो थोड़ा सा गर्मी है अभी भी. इवन फ़ैन ऑन हो के भी गर्मी होती है. तो लाइक आई वॉन्ट रेन टू कम. थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो जाएगा. सो यस, मिलते हैं. सो यू गाइज आर एंजॉइंग द व्लॉग. अभी ऐसा ही चल रहा है बिहाइंड द सीन. chocolate spray था नाइस. तर अलिकति चिनी कम्ती भएछ. चिनी खान्छ कि टेस्ट गर्नु? मलाई चाहिँ ठिकै भयो ना त यसमा खाममा खान्छन् केटाकेटीहरू म अलिक फेक्नु पऱ्यो चिनी थोड़ा सा कम हो गया आई मिस इट फर सम मोर टाइम यति कति हो चिनी कम्ती भइसक्यो तिमीलाई कम्ती लाग्यो अनफर्चुनेटली एस्थेटिक ग्लास नभएर त्यो भाला उयसमा थ्याङ्क यू hello, it's after 2 hours that I'm back again. Abhi I am going to stitch my order that I need to complete within Tuesday, Wednesday, and I have another order that I'm supposed to complete this week, like upcoming week only. So I am going to make aaj. It's Saturday, so I'm like कि आज ही कर लेती हूँ because I don't have to एक प्रेशर नहीं होता कि तो कल सुबह जल्दी उठना है and tomorrow gym भी खाली है. I don't have to go to gym. I don't have to wake up early. अगर उठ भी गई तो I can like stitch knit आराम से. So I'm thinking कि अभी मैं कर लेती हूँ. अभी रात के बजे है 10 बजे हुए हैं. So I'll start knitting. I'll keep you guys on time lapse so that कि मैं इधर करते रहूँ. I'll watch something and like I'll keep on stitching. Surprise!
Surprise. For you, Mark. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. मुझे शर्म आ रहा है.
कहाँ से खुल रहा है? Oh, this is for you.
Thank you so much. लाज लगे मलाई.
क्या?
शर्म लग रहा है मुझे. Thank you. ऐसे सरप्राइजेस मिलते हैं अगर आप भी प्लेस हो जाओगे तो ऐसे सरप्राइजेस मिलेगा. कल भी मुझे मिठाई मिला था, आज भी
तो मिठाई कब खिला रही हूँ पता नहीं.
प्रिंसेस ट्रीटमेंट.
कट करने के लिए क्या है?
चम्मच. मेरी खुशियों में खुश होने के लिए वेरी वेरी थैंक यू टू ऑल द पीपल. I just sat down to stitch in Sikkim.
ये ऐसे आके यहाँ पे ऐसे
कितना यहाँ पकड़ लूँ ना मैं.
हाँ, पकड़ ले.
पकड़ के काटूंगी एकदम. क्या करूँ?
Congratulations. अभी हैप्पी बर्थडे नहीं बोल सकती. Congratulations भी बोल सकती.
Celebrations.
First deserves. After.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. मेरे को टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा था बाहर जाने का.
तो भूल गई थी.
हम्म?
तो भूल गई थी.
नहीं, मैं भूली नहीं थी. मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा था. बट मेरे को बाहर जाने का टाइम मिल रहा था. खा बच्चा. मैं पहली बार किसी के लिए फूल लाई हूँ, ठीक है? This is the first time in my life I have bought flowers for someone.
और ऐसे स्पेशल ओकेजन भी तुझे खरीदने का मौका मिला.
वही.
मैं इनको भी दूँ क्या?
हाँ, you can.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Flowers अच्छे लगे?
So on my own way has commented that is Naipur worth all the hard work? So for this question I would like to say Naipur gives you platform, or say Naipur is a platform. I mean you can use it as a platform and it gives you opportunity to present yourself first of all, and it gives you whatever you want, whatever you think, you will get it. It's like you name it, you will get it. If you want to pursue a PhD, you will get it. You will get that kind of people in and around. If you want to do job, what kind of job? If you want to go for consultancy, if you want to go for R&D, if you want to go in between wala job, so all those things. Before coming to Naipur, I was also not aware of things. I was not aware of job roles that will be in the market. So eventually I got to know, and it especially gives you opportunity which you need to utilize it. Of course it is worth hard work, because whatever आज नहीं पढ़ोगे कल पढ़ना पड़ेगा वही चीज़. Okay, if you skip for GPAT you need to study NIPER में. If you skip for NIPER or GPAT you need to study in semester exam. So it's not like I will skip और फिर वो कभी नहीं आएगा. It's like आज नहीं पढ़ोगे कभी ना कभी पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So that is what I have faced. I did not study a lot of times, a lot of things in my B.Pharm and a lot of things during my exams also, but I had to study when I was when I was giving semester exams. So don't skip things. You have to ultimately, अगर तुम पढ़ रहे हो तो you have to ultimately know the things. So पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. So ये क्वेश्चन के लिए I would say worth है all the hard work, because hard works कभी नहीं, जितना भी कर लो तुम्हारा हार्ड वर्क कभी भी it will not fail. That is what I want to say. And what are your future plans? Future plans, I am placed in Gurgaon, so I will be sharing more details about my placement once I'll go out of this place and once I'll start my work life, new phase of my life. Eventually you guys will know like where and what are things I'll be doing. Like I will hopefully make vlogs in future also. I'll be keep on updating you guys like this, like the way I am doing. So my future plans abhi ke liye to I'm doing this small business, and abhi after 2 months or 3 months I'll be joining, and yeah, I'll be shifting and I'll be working 9 to 5 or 10 to 7 wala job. So I'll be working there, and yeah, that is utna tak hi abhi main apne aap ko dekh rahi hu. So yes. And someone has asked कि कौन से डिपार्टमेंट से हो. I am doing my masters in medicinal chemistry, and I hope you guys are excited to see my next phase of my life. Yes, that is the update. That is how things are going at the moment. And जिस दिन अगली सुबह मैं उठी थी, it was like really stress free. वो सुबह ही अलग था, मतलब वो सुबह ही मतलब एक अलग था. Every time I used to do something, every time I used to go out, every time I used to knit, I used to feel कि why am I wasting time, why am I not studying. And every rejection brought like second thought कि am I not capable, like
I see you hide yourself underneath the mountain of makeup. Plus the words that you made up won't make you any cooler than you are. But when you're with me and you're half asleep, and I can count each freckle and see all your beauty that you hide. This ain't usually how you're like. Then you say, don't you be